everyone, welcome to my channel. As you know, when I make tutorials, I make a little short video on how to do the stitch to start the project. Not a lot of people knows how to crochet, or beginners. So the premise socks, you have a magic loop or magic circle and you do double crochets in it. So I'm going to make a tutorial quickly on how you start with that. So I've got a 4.5 mil hook. This is just for demonstration purposes. You'll have your ball of yarn here and your working yarn. So how I do a magic circle is I take the small end, I grab it with my thumb, I take my working yarn and I put it over my two fingers, bring it back up, take this finger, grab this yarn to make a cross. This is the way I learned how to do it. Okay, let's try that again with a different needle so I can show you, because both of them were the same color. So I'll grab my yarn, the short end, with my thumb and my two fingers. I will bring the yarn over, bring my hand back and make a cross and hold that piece with that finger. I will take my needle, put it underneath this one, grab that one, bring it out, twist it, grab that one again, put it through the hole, and that is your magic ring. It looks a bit loose, but it's because I'm using a big needle. Okay, so let's do that again. Hold your yarn, bring it over, across, twist, grab again, through the hole. That is your magic ring. Bring the short end that way, your working yarn up there. So normally when you start your project, you will chain 2 or 1. I'm going to chain 2. My video for making a chain is also under the description of each project. So now I'm crocheting a long time, but I still found this difficult. So what I do is I put my finger in here. Okay, so if I have to make a double crochet, I will yarn over, put my needle in, bring it out, grab this again, I'll put my two fingers there, yarn over, bring it back, and that is your double crochet. So for the socks, the premise socks, I have to make 9 of these. So your chain 2 counts as a stitch. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. It's all about managing your fingers. You will get the hang of it. So what your small one does is it makes this one bigger or smaller. I like it smaller so I can manage it. And I will grab it like this. And I will make my double crochet in there. So that's my double crochet stitch inside my magic circle. It looks loose, but this just for the demonstration purposes. Okay, so and then when you're done, you would pull on this little small string to tighten it, because this you're going to work in later. This piece here is the bottom of the sock. This is where your magic circle starts, and then you will most probably chain. By your first chain you will make a slip stitch. Okay, so I hope that was clear enough. As you can see, this is where my sock started. So as long as you have that and this in the second row, it will be very easy to start this. Okay, so I hope you like this tutorial. Let me know in the comments if it wasn't clear enough, and look out for my other videos. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.